Elon Musk just shattered every prediction about affordable electric vehicles. While traditional automakers are still figuring out how to make EVs profitable, Tesla has just changed the way it defines affordability with their 2026 Tesla Model 2. And in the next minutes, we will show you exactly how this model is destroying the mass market. You will see exactly how Tesla's production slashes your upfront cost, how its maintenance system eliminates hours and headaches, and how Tesla's financing turns the Model 2 into the smartest deal on the lot. Watch closely. And if you want to join the early adopters who see these industry disruptions coming, that little subscribe button below isn't just a click. It's your front row seat to the automotive revolution. And trust me, you'll want notifications on for what's coming next. 1. How does Tesla's production cut off your costs? Tesla's not just making the Model 2 cheap. They're engineering a system that puts thousands back in your pocket every year. This is how they do it. They are proving that a car's production process makes you richer than ever. While Ford and GM are still assembling cars like it's 1995, Tesla just cracked the code on manufacturing that literally pays you to drive. Here's where it gets absolutely insane. Tesla's single-piece casting technology eliminates 847 individual parts that other manufacturers still bolt together piece by piece. That engineering breakthrough alone saves $3,200 in production costs. And instead of pocketing that money like traditional automakers, Tesla passes those savings directly to you. Think about that for a second. 847 fewer parts means 847 fewer things that can break. 847 fewer supplier markups and $3,200 that stays in your bank account instead of disappearing into corporate profit margins. But Tesla didn't stop there. Their vertical integration strategy means they control 79% of their components in-house. When Honda builds a Civic, they're paying markups to dozens of suppliers who each need their cut. Tesla eliminated that entire parasitic chain. No middleman markup that you would pay elsewhere. Every bolt, every wire, every semiconductor. Tesla makes itself or sources it directly, cutting out layers of profit, hungry middlemen. The production speed is where your savings get truly ridiculous. Tesla cranks out one complete car every 4.5 seconds at their gigafactories. That volume creates manufacturing efficiency that gets transferred directly to your purchase price. Their gigafactory automation runs at 89% efficiency, which translates to labor cost savings of $4,100 per vehicle. Can you guess where that money goes? It's straight to you in the form of a lower sticker price. Let's talk cold, hard numbers that hit your wallet. Traditional automakers trap you in a markup structure where you pay $8,400 extra for dealership profits, supplier markups, and their inefficient manufacturing complexity. Every time you buy from a dealership, you're literally funding their yacht payments and country club memberships. Tesla's direct cost savings total $12,700 in manufacturing efficiency. And instead of keeping that profit, they're handing it to you as a lower purchase price. The quality consistency is where your savings compound over time. Tesla's streamlined production delivers 94% fewer defects compared to traditional manufacturers. That means you avoid the $2,300 in average warranty repairs that Honda and Toyota owners get hammered with in their first 3 years. Plus, your Model 2 comes with update capability built right in. Your car actually improves over time instead of becoming obsolete the moment you drive it off the lot. Here's the comparison that'll make your head spin. A Honda Civic's production cost to the consumer hits $26,800 because you pay dealer markup, supplier profits, and inefficiency taxes at every step. The Model 2 delivers equivalent value to you at $14,999 because Tesla keeps their production savings internal and passes their manufacturing efficiency directly to you. That's not marketing hype. That's basic math. Your annual savings from Tesla's production efficiency work out to $847 per month over 10 years. That's a house payment. That's your kid's college fund. That's a vacation every quarter. All because Tesla decided to revolutionize manufacturing instead of protecting outdated profit structures. Tesla's production revolution isn't just changing manufacturing. It's putting thousands of dollars back in your pocket that other companies would keep for themselves. While traditional automakers are still playing the same markup games they've run for decades, Tesla just handed you the keys to financial freedom disguised as a car purchase. But here's what I want to know. When was the last time a car company actually made you money instead of bleeding you dry? And if Tesla can deliver this kind of value at $14,999, what does that say about every other automaker charging you $30,000 for inferior technology? Drop that price point in the comments if you're ready to stop funding corporate greed and start keeping your hard-earned money. I want to see how many of you are finally ready to break free from the dealership scam. Saving money is great, but how does Tesla make owning the Model 2 effortless for you? That's what we are going to find out in the next minutes. 2. How does Tesla's maintenance system save you time and hassle? Forget wrenching headaches and pricey repair shops. The Model 2's maintenance tech is so smart, it practically fixes itself, saving you time and stress. So, how can a car's maintenance system make your life easier than ever? Are you ready to jump in? While you're still dragging your gas guzzler to Jiffy Lube every Saturday morning, Tesla owners are sleeping in and letting their cars heal themselves. Here's the brutal truth about traditional car ownership that nobody talks about. You lose 23 hours annually sitting in grimy service center waiting rooms, breathing in oil fumes and stale coffee, while some mechanic discovers 3 more things wrong with your car. The Tesla Model 2 flips that nightmare on its head. You'll spend exactly 2.1 hours annually on maintenance. That's a 91% time reduction. That gives you back nearly an entire day of your life every single year. Think about oil changes alone. 8 trips per year to service stations, each one stealing 90 minutes of your weekend. You're paying $1,200 annually just to keep your engine lubricated. The Model 2 laughs at oil changes because electric motors don't need that medieval ritual. Tesla's mobile service coverage handles 89% of service needs by coming directly to you. Your driveway becomes your service center. Your schedule stays intact. No more scheduling around service center hours that seem designed to torture working people. Tesla's mobile service.